Welcome! In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. Next, click on these three bars right here, and we're gonna navigate to Settings. From here, I'm gonna select Import. Select where you want to import contacts from. For me, that's going to be the SIM card. And this will then automatically show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me, all of them are grayed out and deselected, and I can't select them because on the default selection, which is the Google account, all of these contacts already exist. But if I were to tap on the drop-down menu and select the device, you can see all of them now become checked. I can deselect ones that I may not want. Next, click on the check bar, and this will import all selected contacts, and you should be able to see them in the list. Now, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. So right here where I have this H icon, you might have something else. Click on this and then select whichever location you want to display contacts from. So here's a device where I imported the contacts to. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.